Welcome to the Driving the World podcast series. I'm your host, Cully Holland. Today we have Anecia Hoffield, the product manager for the Servo portfolio, and we're going to be talking about the PxG. Hey Anecia, how are you doing today?
Good. How's it going?
Doing well. Super happy to have you here. So today we're going to talk about the PxGs. So let's just start from the top, and what are they?
So your PxG is going to be a Planetary Servo gear unit.
Very cool. So when we're talking about those when do we use them? How do they stand out? Just how do they fit into our overall portfolio?
Yeah, so these are going to be used in applications where you need a servo gearbox or a servo motor. So if you're thinking about if you need accuracy, speed, fast acceleration, these are going to be great paired with servo motors because they can also give the accuracy and speed of a servo motor. And how the PxG stands out, especially from other Planetary Servo gearboxes, is it's super well designed and the accuracy is even more than other Planetary gearboxes, meaning the backlash is decreased.
Okay, so we're talking about backlash, which is extremely important for positioning and all kind of other precise movements needed out there in the field. And I'm looking at this one, I see a 5 on it. So is that just a random 5 or are they different sizes? And if we have different sizes, how do they stand out from each other?
Yeah, so it's not about the size. So for the PxG, we have P5, P6, and P7.
Okay.
So that's just like a precision rating in our system. So the P5 is going to be the all-arounder. It can move fast and it's super accurate. The P6 is a faster mover. It has different bearing types, so it can be a faster runner with the precision also. And then the P7 has a lot of reduced backlash, so it's very precise. So if you're thinking about backlash in terms,
Okay.
you have P5 and P6, which go 4 to 5 arc minutes, and P7 is 1.5 to 3 arc minutes. So you're getting super precise on that P7.
Okay, so that amount of backlash definitely shows just how precise they can be in these positioning and movement applications where we need absolute precision. And if we're talking to some of our customers, why would they be interested in buying these?
So you get an overall of sizes in these.
So like how many sizes?
So we have 10 different sizes.
Okay.
So we can have a gear ratio from 3 to up to 1,000.
Okay.
So we have a huge range of ratios that are needed for different applications where servos are required, but you need more torque out of the servo. So you're going to want these. These are small, compact in design, so they're not going to take up a lot of space like other inline gearboxes or even other planetary servos. Because there's other planetary servos on the market that are longer.
Okay.
And that are going to take up space in your application. So these are nice, small, compact that it's going to get what you need just in a condensed size.
So it really sounds like this is a torque dense application. So if it's kind of a snug fit, but you got to make sure you're moving your entire application, these could be very well suited, especially when we need accuracy in our movement.
Exactly.
So it's a great torque dense product. And is there anything else our customers should be looking out for that kind of helps it stand out when they're thinking about buying some of these?
Yeah. So these are great because they come with a digital twin.
So what is a digital twin?
So a digital twin is basically our software that simulates applications. Like a customer can send their exact application to SEW. We can run it through the software and it will tell us exactly how hot the oil is going to get, how long the bearings are going to last, how the seals are going to last. And that's huge in applications, especially when servos are being considered, because you want to know everything about your application. Most of these applications are very precise and they're rather expensive, so you want to know everything about it and how long it's going to last. And especially if you're thinking about pharmaceuticals, where they're having a lot of back and forth, or food and beverages, where they're just outputting a lot of product, they need their applications to last and they need it to be reliable. And with the PxG, you know exactly what you're getting and how long it's going to last for every application, With the digital twin, you also get all that information, the bearing life, different CAD models, and everything like that.
Very cool. And I mean, definitely when we can give our customers more information and more knowledge, they're going to be way more comfortable. And if you have a comfortable customer, they're more likely to buy from us. So is there anything else you want to talk about with the PxG before we wrap this up, or is that about it?
Yeah, so even with the shaft, so our software, we're able to custom make shafts of any size you want within a couple of days,
Okay.
as well as adapters. So say you're using a third-party servo motor, we can fit our adapter to any servo motor. These are also great for hygienic designs. You can see on the servo unit that it's very rounded and not a lot of corners, not a lot of cracks. So not a lot of food and everything is going to get stuck onto the unit.
Very nice. Well, I think that is a great 10,000 foot view of our PxGs. I really appreciate you coming on today, and hopefully we can chat with you soon.
Yeah.